news is as follows. India is the priority for Trump trade deal is what a US report suggests. UK, Australia, Japan may also get Trump deal soon. India-US trade talks in a crucial stage. US lower tariff on Indian allies to about 10%. In contrast, 145 jump that has been seen as far as China is concerned. Chetan continues to be with us. Chetan, indicate what is the inside track of what's happening as far as the government in the US is concerned, and what the president really thinks he could do best for India.
Really light of hope, because when we saw the numbers coming out, really the monthly trade data in which the Ministry of Commerce issues the numbers, and we get to know what really is happening as far as India's imports and exports are concerned, we saw that India was one of the biggest exporters to the United States, and as far as imports go, India imported the maximum from China, and US imports from US stand at number 3, and India's exports to the US are rising. In fact, we significantly saw 86.1 billion worth of US exports being done from India to the US, and from China we imported goods about $113 billion. So clearly, India has its priorities straight, and in fact, India's share in US smartphone market has also increased substantially from 2023 to 2024. We saw from $5,000 million to $7,000 million being exchanged within 1 year. So clearly, India's exports to the US has been increasing. But yes, India's imports from China has also been increasing. So the government is actually witnessing a lot of import surge suddenly because of the retaliatory tariffs, and of course the tariff war being going on. So the government has also set up a committee in which they are monitoring with the Ministry of Finance and other officials to ensure that India's trade importers and exporters don't have to face any issues as far as the trade is going on.
Thanking you for the moment, Chetan Bhutani, getting us up to speed with those details as far as India-US trade talks are concerned. There could be possible relief for India. At least the virtual meeting is expected, and the in-person meeting is on next month, is what Chetan is telling us.